Today we're at the lake and we will be showing you how to install a mini split air conditioner. Jane will walk you through the components we are going to need for it.
You need an indoor unit, an outdoor unit, a gauge set, an air pump, and a whole set, and a line cover set, and lines and wires to connect the indoor and outdoor unit, and you need a torque wrench and other wrenches. Earlier this summer we installed the upper unit, which is now running, and we hung the second outdoor unit. So today we're going to hang the one inside and connect them together.
First step is to prep the indoor unit. You'll start by removing the hanging bracket. Second step is to remove the electrical connection area cover. It's this part right here, this thing. You might need to pry it a little bit to get it out. Next step is to drill the exterior hole. We have pre-installed the siding block, which is what the white thing you see. Next, you will reinstall the covers. Make sure the slit is facing down. Next, we are installing our wall bracket. Make sure it is level. Install it where you would like it to be. This is where you will mount the mini split to. Next, we will drill a hole through the interior wall.
Now that you have your hole drilled, double check that you didn't accidentally drill your hole into your ceiling, which looks good, and that your hole came out where you intended it to be. We had built this space up above the ceiling, and as you can see, the hole comes into this space and has enough downhill run to run over to where our drain is going to connect over here. Up in that back corner is where the exterior lines will connect.
Next, carefully straighten the lines that will go through the hole.
Make sure not to kink the lines in the process.
And then you will unroll the lines that go out the hole.
Next, we will connect the lines to the interior unit. We will torque it to the appropriate settings using crowfoot connectors. The unit is pre-charged at the factory with compression so you know there's no leaks. Remove the covers. We will need to evacuate the air out of the lines later.
Next, cut off the excess insulation. Next, you will hook up the power wires. Now wrap the wire and tubing in protective wrap. Next step is to insert the lines through the holes that you drilled. Okay, so we are up in the little crawl space up above the bathroom, and as you can see, we have our air conditioner lines right here, the tubing, and then the other, the drain line. As you can see, it's running down. I don't know if the camera can pick this up, but it is running downhill the whole way, and then out to where the drain would be.
We had pre-wired the AC disconnect switches down at the bottom and ran the wires up in the wall so that they can come out above. Next, we will stick the wires out and begin the process of removing the covers and hooking up the outdoor unit. Good.
Can I stop it? Next, we will remove the covers on the outside unit. Now install your cover set. Next, hook up your tubing and wiring. Complete the interior wiring and replace the cover. We hooked up our vacuum pump to our gauge to the outdoor unit, and now we are maintaining negative pressure. Next, release the gas and put the disconnect in. Okay, we're ready for the big reveal. Let's turn it on. What did we do wrong? Didn't turn on.
Wrong button, silly.
Oh! There it is. It's working. I don't know if you can hear yet. Oh yeah, here it comes. Oh yeah. It's a beautiful day out here. Yeah. Very nice lake out today. It's pretty hot out. Wish we could jump in, but we got our clothes on. Oh well. They're quick dry. Ah!